Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best vegan protein powder. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 vegan protein powder, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Promix Plant-Based Vegan Protein Powder. Promix's vegan raw chocolate protein powder is my kind of straight to the point, no frills workout supplement. It doesn't try to be everything to everyone and just packs a lot of protein in as few ingredients as possible. For that reason, it gets the nod as the easiest on your stomach, free of bubbly guts culprits like prebiotics, probiotics, gums, sugar alcohols, and all 9 major food allergens. It actually has more protein per gram of product, 0.781, than any of the others I reviewed, which means you get a lot of muscle-building macronutrients without too much powder. I found this to help with taste since I tasted more of the banana and cinnamon I added than the powder itself, which was more of a generic, neutral chocolate flavor than anything else. It's not overly delightful, but it's not at all offensive like some supplements can be. Number 2. Gnarly Nutrition, Meal Replacement Vegan Protein Blend. Gnarly Vegan's chocolate meal replacement protein is great for exactly that, a meal replacement. At 20 grams of protein per serving, a ratio of 0.400 per gram, 7 grams of net carbohydrates, and an impressive 9 grams of dietary fiber, one of the most chronically insufficient nutrients in American diets, it has a macronutrient distribution atypical for a protein powder but worthy of a meal replacement if you add a few more sources of carbohydrates. On their website, Gnarly owns up to the fact that this supplement is just barely a meal replacement, claiming that the higher calorie count, as compared to most protein supplements, puts them in that category. As a sports dietitian, I agree, and added a few more bananas, berries, and applesauce to my shake in order to make it meet a full meal's worth of nutrients. Number 3. Vega Sport Protein Powder Chocolate. The Vega brand carries a lot of weight in the world of vegan athletics because of its co-founder, Brendan Brazier, a former ultra-endurance athlete who helped prove the competitive viability of a plant-based lifestyle. This protein powder looks like it's formulated to help you maintain the competitive edge. It got top billing on this list because of its high protein content, GI-safe ingredients, and adequate leucine content, important traits for any protein supplement. It comes stacked with 30 grams of protein per 44 gram serving, a ratio of 0.682 per gram, and 2.5 grams of leucine, which is important for stimulating muscle protein synthesis. It's also free of the pro and prebiotics, often the cause of GI disturbances, found in the more expensive premium version. It doesn't skimp on vitamins with 7 mg of iron and 20% of your daily calcium needs. Number 4. Ladder Plant-Based Protein Powder. Ladder's premium chocolate protein was close to getting the award for best tasting because of its rich chocolatey flavor while providing 21 grams of protein per serving. I actually tasted it by itself, mixing it with just water, and it legit tasted like a cooled down hot chocolate. What makes it stand out, though, is its high concentration of electrolytes, 650 mg of sodium, 620 mg of potassium, which are essential in rehydrating after an intense workout, and its inclusion of 480 mg of tart cherry extract, a powerful antioxidant which has been shown to reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. It isn't specific about its leucine content, but it does boast 1000 mg of BCAAs, valine, leucine, isoleucine, and methionine. I could also do without the probiotic blends, but some people may find that useful. Overall, it tasted great and didn't bother my stomach much, if at all. Number 5. Garden of Life Creamy Organic Vegan Protein Powder. Taste is a huge factor when considering a supplement because, let's be honest, if it tastes bad, you're probably not going to take it. The Garden of Life Creamy Organic Vegan Protein Powder plus oat milk is not that chalky protein powder of old. The coconut and oat milk powders give it a silky and creamy flavor that tastes pretty close to an actual milkshake. And, I'm not a chef, but there's this nutty character of the chocolate that I'm guessing comes from the gluten-free grains they use for extra protein: brown rice, amaranth, quinoa, buckwheat, millet, and chia. Now, as someone who tries to get a pretty high amount of protein in his body every day, I do wish it had a bit more than 20 grams per serving, a ratio of 0.435 per gram, especially since vegan athletes have a slightly less access to bioavailable proteins. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.